So today is a really hot day here in the great state of Washington. And so I came up with this idea, hey, it's supposed to be 106 here where we live, or a little higher in temperature today. Or we can go down to the coast and enjoy a temperature of 80 something to 90 degrees. A little bit better. So that's what we did. We're here at Ocean Shores, Washington. People are here enjoying themselves, having a good time. And hey, and it is so cool compared to what it could be. It's still hot. I'm still sweating and everything, but it's still nice. I can accept this. I could not accept that hot weather that we were having up in the Seattle area. However, now I'm from Oklahoma, and so we have some hot weather there also, but it's just that it's been so long that I've been in weather that hot that I don't know if I can take it anymore. When I go home to visit, I do pretty good, but it is still so hot that it does take some getting used to. One thing you want to do on a day when it's hot like today, you want to make sure that you're staying hydrated, that you're drinking plenty of water. That's what I'm doing. I'm making sure I'm staying hydrated. I'm drinking plenty of water. Right now, this water is pretty warm. I'm going to have to go and get some ice. But stay hydrated. Regardless, I'm staying hydrated. I'm drinking water, drinking as many liquids as I possibly can. And if I feel like I'm getting too hot, I'm just going to get out and take a dip in the Pacific Ocean, baby. Yes, I am. But otherwise, I'm just sitting here, watching people have a good time and enjoy themselves. And just make sure you're staying hydrated, okay? How you doing?
I'm doing fine. Watching the tide come in.
A video. Look, of course, there goes a car. But that couple, not that couple, but that couple directly in front of us with the dog, they're in really good shape. His wife, I noticed, is in really good shape, and she is older than me.
Older, she's enjoying the ocean.
So you can see everybody's out having a good time today. We're here at Ocean Shores.
What? Get a room just so you can charge up everything.
Yeah.
So you can get some footage.
Yeah. I've sweated so much until my skin just feels dry and kind of gritty down here. I guess because the wind is blowing and everything. But I have had a good time. I stayed cool today, which was the main thing, to be as cool as possible. I know when I get home it's going to be stuffy in there and it's going to be hot. Last night it was so hot I slept under 2 fans. Both of them on me. But make sure you're staying hydrated. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of liquids as often as you can. And make sure that you know the signs of heat stroke and heat exhaustion so that you can take the necessary steps to ward off these type of things happening to you, especially in these high degree temperatures, and especially if you're not used to being in these high degree temperatures. Make sure that you call and check up on your neighbor, your friends, kin folks, the elderly, the sick, the disabled. Make sure you check in to make sure that they're okay. And if you can, take water and offer to people the homeless people and different ones. They need some help, and we can all help one another right now.
So that's
Just
Keto
by
Granny.
doing some little things.
He's out on the beach. We have really had a great time today. We have been here, and he's been running his remote control racing cars, his drones, and everyone has really enjoyed, watching him, play with his cars and everything. That's his hobby. But one thing you want to do is really stay hydrated. Here's some of the liquids that I have been drinking, and these are some of the liquids that you can drink on the ketogenic diet in order to stay in the ketosis. First, drink plenty of water. You want to make sure you're getting plenty of water to drink. You can drink bottled water or whatever water you like. Also, I like tea. And get a tea that you like, a delicious tea. And enjoy tea. Tea is very good. You can have it cold or you can have it hot. Also, this is still tea, but you can also enjoy black coffee. If you do add cream, you just want to add a tablespoon, no more. Anything over 45 calories is considered breaking your fast. This is chicken broth, and chicken broth is really, really great to drink also on the ketogenic diet, or just great to drink anytime. It has some great benefits for you, and it's also good. See all that good fat in there, and it's very easy to make. Just need you some chicken, water, and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And here's my apple cider vinegar drink with a little bit of lemon juice and water. So you can have plenty of good nutritious drinks on the ketogenic diet, and there are other things that you can also drink, but just remember to stay hydrated. That is so very important, especially in this hot degree weather, which we are not used to here in the area where I live. So I am back home now, and it was really, really hot. Now, we went Saturday down to Ocean Shores, and then for Sunday it was even hotter. I believe Sunday it went up to something like 108 degrees, and we're not used to that here. So the homes aren't equipped with air conditioning, cooling systems, so you can imagine how hot it was. Homes here are built for temperatures 68, 70s, so they don't have air conditioning in them. So when we got those hot temperatures, and Monday was even hotter, it went up as high as 113 degrees. You could imagine we felt like we were melting. So I have had no exercise for at least about 3 days. And so in the morning, I'm going to exercise and I'm going to post it, okay? But right now, it's kind of hot and I'm getting ready to take another shower and get ready for bed. So this is Keto Granny saying, stay hydrated when it's hot. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water and stay as cool as you possibly can, even if it means taking several showers a day. This is Keto Granny saying have a great day, and I'll see you later.